How to make an Arctic roll, homemade ice cream dessert. When I was growing up, we didn't very often have a dessert after a weekday tea. Desserts were normally only offered on a weekend, when on a Sunday afternoon we used to sit down as a family to a three-course meal which ended with a stodgy pudding with vanilla ice cream. Occasionally, however, as a treat, we used to get dessert midweek. And more often than not, the dessert was Arctic roll. The Arctic roll was originally created in the 1950s and by the 1970s had almost reached cult status. The Arctic roll, a tube of vanilla ice cream encased in light sponge with a layer of raspberry jam, was one of the most popular family desserts in the 1970s. Mass-produced by a well-known frozen food company and cheap enough for budget-conscious households, you could virtually guarantee that if you went to a friend's house for tea after school, their mom would produce an Arctic roll for dessert. Occasionally it was Angel Delight. If you were unlucky, it was jelly and ice cream, but more often than not it was that familiar tube of cream and sponge that was put on the table. By the 1980s it had fallen out of favor. More creative ice cream desserts based on Italian recipes were becoming popular, and the Arctic roll just seemed to disappear. It is though very simple to make, and so if like me you want to recreate the past and bring an old familiar friend back to the table, you can follow the recipe below. I tend to make the ice cream a few days before and the sponge on the day I am going to serve it. But you can just as easily make the whole thing in advance and freeze. For the sponge, 100 g self-raising flour, 100 g butter, room temperature, 100 g sugar, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons raspberry jam. Cream the butter and the sugar in a bowl until all the sugar granules have disappeared. Add the eggs to the mixture one at a time, mixing carefully with a wooden spoon. Carefully fold the flour into the mixture a tablespoon at a time until you have a creamy consistency. Pour the mixture onto a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven, 180 C, for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the sponge is springy to the touch, turn out onto a piece of baking parchment on top of a wire rack. Let it cool. For the vanilla ice cream, 375 milliliters double cream, 225 milliliters full fat milk, 75 g brown sugar, 2 vanilla pods, 3 large egg yolks. Split the vanilla pods and scrape out the seeds into the cream and milk mixture. Add half the sugar and heat over a low heat until it is warmed through. Do not let it boil. Place in a bowl and let it cool. In a separate bowl, mix the egg yolks with the remainder of the sugar and when smooth, blend with the cream mixture. Reheat for about 10 minutes until the mixture coats the back of a wooden spoon. Let it cool and then pour into your ice cream maker and churn as per the manufacturer's instructions. Once completed, turn out onto a tray and shape into a sausage shape. Cover in cling film and place in the freezer. To construct the Arctic roll, spread the 2 tablespoons of raspberry jam evenly over the sponge. Place the ice cream on the sponge and using the parchment paper carefully roll the sponge over the ice cream. Remove the paper, cut the roll into thick slices and serve. Once you have the basic recipe for the Arctic roll, you can customize it to create different desserts. Below I have suggested some different recipes which are my personal favorites, but you could just as easily come up with your own versions of this classic dessert. For a Chocoholic Extreme dessert, add cocoa powder to your sponge mix to make a chocolate sponge. Substitute the jam with Nutella or some other chocolate spread and add chocolate ice cream instead of vanilla. How to make an Arctic roll, homemade ice cream dessert. When I was growing up, we didn't very often have a dessert after a weekday tea. Desserts were normally only offered on a weekend, when on a Sunday afternoon we used to sit down as a family to a three-course meal which ended with a stodgy pudding with vanilla ice cream.